Has your dog ever suddenly acted distant? Like something changed overnight?
It can feel confusing, even a little hurtful. But there's always a reason. Today, we're understanding why dogs pull away emotionally and what you can do to help.
Reason 1, emotional overload. Dogs feel stress just like we do.
New noises, arguments, sudden changes at home, these can make your dog withdraw.
If your dog suddenly avoids touch, they might just be overwhelmed. Give quiet presence, not pressure. Let them come to you.
Reason 2, they're feeling unwell. Dogs hide discomfort instinctively.
A sudden change in affection can be a clue to pain, tummy upset, or fatigue. If distancing comes with physical changes, call your vet.
Reason 3, emotional sadness or anxiety.
Dogs grieve. They worry. They pick up our emotions more than we realize.
A family member moving out, your long work hours, or a recent change in routine can hit them harder than you think.
Dogs don't understand why things change. They just feel the shift.
Primarily. Reason 4, they felt scolded or misunderstood.
Even if you didn't mean it, a sharp tone can make sensitive dogs withdraw for hours, even days.
Give them emotional space. Let your energy be calm, open, and safe again.
You'll be surprised how quickly trust returns when pressure disappears. Reason 5, their routine feels unstable, or we can say routine disruption.
Consistency is safety for dogs. When the rhythm breaks, they can become unsure and distant. Behaviors like waiting alone, sleeping away from you, or avoiding play can be emotional flags.
Sometimes distance isn't rejection, it's confusion.
Dogs don't pull away to hurt you. They withdraw to understand their feelings.
Just like us, they need time to reset.
Offer a safe, quiet space. Emotional healing for dogs starts with peace.
And when they're ready, they'll come back with the purest heart. Their love never disappears. Sometimes it just hides while they sort their feelings. The key is to observe, stay patient, and respond with calm kindness.
If your dog seems distant, don't panic. Just ask, what changed in their world or in mine?
Distance is temporary, love is not. Your dog just needs you to understand. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more emotional dog insights with me and Leo.